How much filter's going to come up first?
Mini filth. Oh. Not too bad in behind here, I've definitely seen worse. It's actually quite light.
What's that? What's that doohickey you just got?
Gun. Oh, should I spray it? This is how good I am at life. Ready? Right there is how you apply paint. There's one layer done. Looks like shit.
You can do it. Hey! Oh. Done? Yeah. Easy as that.
That was easy. I made it look easy.
I wonder which one went on which side. Right? Left?
Oh no, it's right. I'm looking at the car the wrong way. It slides into that thing. No?
Do we get all the bolts that fell down?
Hey.
Now that I've washed it, they'll be fucking who knows where. Oh, yeah, here's that.
Oh, that's good.
Captain Jones, we'll use him. Okay.
Is that the right side?
I hope so. You got a lot of plugs on them. Excellent. One done. Easy as that. I cannot see a single thing.
I've got your problem, I can't see.
Yeah, no, you can't see anything in there.
Far out. Done.
Okay.
Oh.
Thanks for the help.
Yeah.
One hand.
I'll just keep leaning on this nail while you do that. Jeez, Andre, you're not much help, are you? Right. Somehow that goes in there. I'm guessing it just goes on there. Where's this other little plug go? Now that in there. Oh, I need to move the fucking spotlight. Okay. And then it slides through that thing or something?
Yeah, something like that.
How do we hold it on there?
How do we get them out?
What are you complaining about? It's exactly how they do them at
Oh,
the
Mr.
factory.
Hammer Hands over here.
That's right. Well, I might trick the whole world that I've got hammers for fingers.
No, definitely held the bumper on, that's for sure.
They're actually quite grunty, yeah. How many have you done in the time I've done these, Andre?
None. Oh,